Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRX. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was just an absolutely crazy day, especially the final afternoon, which again each of these represents 15 minutes. So you can see the final portion of the day right there. Volume came pouring in, price made a crazy move, which brings up the question: is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level right here at the $20 mark. Why is $20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $20. Any sort of closes below 20, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? At that point, that's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here, and then you'd have the previous base of lows down there. So if you picture these as stair steps, well, then now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? Make progress in the upwards direction. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, up above 21, give or take a little bit, that would be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price falls back below 21, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? Actually, for this, I'm going to go to the 30-minute so we can see things a little bit clearer there. So where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? First area of resistance, right here at 24, which the price did temporarily break above. You can see that on a couple bounces there. 24 rejected the price, 24 rejected the price. And then after 24, next level of resistance up there at that point, which sits at about 24.75. So those are going to be the next two key battlegrounds. All in all, though, no doubt about it, crazy day, crazy end of the day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.